Students, today we are going to see how to construct similar triangles. For that we have taken one question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AB is equal to 5.4 centimeters, BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters and AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Also one more thing is given, AB upon PQ is equal to 3 upon 2. And we have to construct triangle PQR. Students, keep it in mind that even if it is given that we have to construct triangle PQR, still we are going to draw both the triangles, triangle PQR and triangle ABC, as well as we have to draw rough diagrams of both the triangles. If you will see, then you can see that here sides of triangle ABC are given, but sides of triangle PQR are not given. So first we need to find out the sides of triangle PQR. So first we are going to find out all the three sides of triangle PQR. Now we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is already given, and we know that if triangles are similar, their sides are in proportion. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, and their ratio is given as 3:2. Now we know the sides. AB we know, AB is equal to 5.4 upon PQ. BC is equal to, just we have to put the lengths of sides of triangle ABC. BC is equal to 4.2 upon QR and AC is equal to 6 upon PR is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, now one by one we will take each ratio and find out the value of PQ, QR and PR. First ratio we will take 5.4 upon PQ is equal to 3 upon 2. Now we have to cross multiply. 3 into PQ is equal to 5.4 into 2. Therefore PQ is equal to 5.4 into 2 upon 3. So we can divide it. 3 ones are 3 and 3 eights are 24. So PQ is equal to how much? 3.6 centimeters. Okay. Now we have to find out QR. So second ratio we will take 4.2 upon QR. This ratio we have to take. 4.2 upon QR is equal to 3 upon 2. Again we have to cross multiply. 3 into QR is equal to 4.2 into 2. Therefore QR is equal to what? 4.2 into 2 upon 3. Again divide by 3. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So QR is equal to how much? 4.2 centimeters. And now 1.4 into 2 means 2.8 centimeters. Okay. Now we have to take third ratio, that is 6 upon PR is equal to 3 upon 2. Children, those steps we will write, separate it out so that there should not be any confusion. Okay. Now 6 into PR is equal to 3 upon 2. So 3 into PR we have to cross multiply. 3 into PR is equal to 6 into 2, and therefore PR is equal to 6 into 2 upon 3. So again we have to divide. Therefore PR is equal to 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Now if you will see children, we got the sides of triangle PQR. First one, PQ is equal to 3.6 centimeters, QR is equal to 2.8 centimeters and PR is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, now we have to construct both the triangles. For that, first we will draw both the rough figures. First we have to draw triangle ABC, rough diagram of triangle ABC, and AC is the longest side. Generally we are taking longest side as a base. So AC is equal to 6 centimeters we have taken. Then AB is equal to 5.4 centimeters and BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters is given. This is the rough figure for triangle ABC. Now for PQR, PR is equal to how much? PR is the longest side. It is equal to 4 centimeters. PR is equal to 4 centimeters. PQ is equal to 3.6 centimeters and QR is equal to 2.8 centimeters. Okay, these are our rough diagrams. In the same way, we have to take proper measurement and we have to draw the perfect diagrams. So it is very easy to draw perfect diagram whenever rough diagrams are ready. Now AC is equal to how much? AC is equal to 6 centimeters. So perfect measurement we have to take. Immediately here we will write A and C and length is 6 centimeters. Now in our rounder we will take the distance of 5.4 centimeters. Okay, distance of 5.4, sharp measurement we are going to take, accurate measurement 5.4 centimeters and draw AB. Okay, arc we are going to draw. Now BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Take distance of 4.2 centimeters in the rounder and draw arc. Now the point of intersection we got, this is point B. Now join BC and AB also and immediately write down measurement 5.4 centimeters AB and 4.2 centimeters BC. Now in the same way we will draw triangle PQR. PR is equal to how much? 4 centimeters, right? PR is equal to 4 centimeters. Take distance of 3.6 centimeters because PQ is equal to 3.6 centimeters. Draw arc. Okay. Now take distance of 2.8 centimeters and because QR is equal to 2.8 centimeters. This is the point of intersection. This is point Q. Now join QR and PQ also. Okay. Now PQ is equal to 3.6 centimeters and QR is equal to 2.8 centimeters. So these are our final figures of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So children, if you will see the question, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are totally different triangles. If such type of construction they will ask, if such two different triangles are given, similar, then we have to do such type of construction. A measurement of one sides of one triangle are given. Using that we will find out sides of another triangle, and accordingly we have to draw 4 different figures. 2 are rough diagram and 2 are final figures. Again I am repeating children that always while doing construction you have to draw a rough diagram. Measurements are necessary in rough diagrams as well as final diagrams also, and in such type of figure 4 diagrams are necessary, and always use sharp pencils while doing the construction. Thank you.